Hey guys, me Misha. Everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. Let's wrap up our day. Uh, yeah. Merrick. What's going on here though? I did go down. DTM, Posse. I'm bleeding on Tiro. And it activated two of my stops. Well, I mean, stop limits, of course. So one that I was entering were somewhere around here, and then other one here. So if it gaps on earnings tomorrow up, it'll just break me even. But what can I do? Rules are rules. But look at this exhaustion though. This exhaustion looks beautiful. Well, that wouldn't scare me. You know, like what I'm checking all the time, why there's such a big volume on correction. It's all right. Yeah. It's steep. That would be a bummer if it just breaks me even and goes up. I'll sleep on it. This is a beautiful volume for all I care. Pfizer made its drop to it's a 1 bar rule. It's a 1 bar rule. It's going to give us some volume probably. Got some volume. Super technically on top. Did this balance. Tin, 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 tin. Let's close all of this except maybe for this guy and this guy. Just curious if you can hear the leaf blowers. Let me close the door real quick. The balcony door, I mean. Just give me a sec. Okay, I'm back. Let's do it. It's in 0.5. It's at 0.5. Dun, 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 dun. It's a break. This thing just continues. Netflix, Netflix, Netflix. Just goes. Unbelievable. It's very tempting, of course, just remove my stop limit from T row. This is broken, so next stop is here, potentially. And by the way, this is also a sign of strength. Hmm. Oh, it's the Russell, small cap. This thing continues. It's rally. It continues its rally. That's an interesting move too. Very similar to T row, isn't it? Not really. It's so high up there. Quite good, nevertheless. So keep it. Volume distribution is not good, whereas on freaking T row, that's the question of the day. Whether I want look at this guy. It's just unstoppable. Yeah, I missed this thing on Oracle. It was hairy, and we were like down there. You know what I mean? That was like intraday trade actually. Boom. Ice goes nuts. goes nuts. No. Oh, a lot of counter trends snuck up onto my watch list. Okay, so we're there. Resistance, arguably balanced. Resistance, resistance. One by reversal, rare keys. Rare case. Volume. Just keep it there. Magnet. UPS. The move that I missed. Boing. Continuation of the trend. On volume spring. On Aki. But on volume, so what can you do? And why is it in the monthly? So the resistance zone is a zone, so it's a cloud of interest. But would you believe that it's like more than almost the range? So technically, it's good for short. Practically, I wouldn't touch it. Even more volume. You see how beautiful this looked like an exhaustion? How beautifully. And then boom, even more volume. All time frames, yearly, monthly, daily. We're there. But I'm still there. There. We shall let it go. It reached the annual level, so it has to like form transition extrusion, the whole shebang. And continuation of the trend. It's getting dangerously close to the resistance level on yearly, but still. Oh, bruh. Come back in a month. Pretty much same. The, but I'm still there. And now again, it should. Well, let's keep it open for now. What a volume. Oof, oof, oof. Holy crap, Morgan Stanley. Make an exclusion. And of course, it's a beautiful upthrust of this thing, even with test. And then wait a minute. There's no level here. There is my hair. My hair, this is a upthrust. Well, yeah, everything looks like super cool. It's also earnings. To make an exclusion for this guy and trade it just F. But no. Oink. Thank you. What is a transition extreme here? It's open to, I think this is. No, this is. One way or another. This is the transition extreme. Balance. It's a balance. One bar rule. They're equal. It's 2 bars. It's an interesting situation. That's good for continuation of the trend. This thing closes above. Boom. Indonesia Telecommunications shows us how it's been done. Walmart is this volume for breakfast. And continuation of the trend. I don't know. Continuation of the trend. It's not a bad volume distribution because the biggest volume is here. It just already been touched by the bar that blocked it, in a sense. Yeah, that's the situation. It's a 1 bar rule. Back to square one. Deviant. Weird. There's more volume on approach here. That's weird. Once again, we want close our day like this. It can actually add more volume in aftermarket from the dark pools. When markets are closed, near breaks down. Doesn't hold in 0.5. Bro, why is it on my daily watch? Oh, this is massacre. It's a break. It's a good continuation of the trend. It's weird. Shell gives us a local extremum. Bro, this thing. One bar rule. Bumped into this volume and oh gosh. I'm still there. There. Huh. It's also in test. Boom. One bar reversal on Unilever. Yeah. Continuation of the trend. Continuation of the trend. This is like both semiconductors and Uber just like stopped out everyone, but that was unvolumed. That was unvolumed. Microsoft goes lower. It's a one bar rule. So it's good for a continuation of the trend. Volume distribution is good. This 0.5 would be magical. This test level at 0.5 would be just magical. Continuation of the trend. Boom. Just look at this. Boom. Do we have any chance? No. So yeah. That's of course teasing. That's teasing me. Because tomorrow it will have to break me even if it comes to it. It's a little bit too much of a volume. Tomorrow is the earnings. It just can show us how it's been done on earnings. Once again, I'll only break even. And the volume distribution is great. It's right here. I'll sleep on it. It's the biggest question of the day. And Pfizer. Well, Pfizer is not a question. If it comes here, it would be a good place to buy. It's a price magnet that came here. Too close. I'll think about it, but probably I should remove my stop limits and see what happens tomorrow. Okay, so this is for where's my yeah. I hear it looks so different. Oh no, I just forgot something. This is higher on the futures. That's the close of the day. But yeah, I'll keep an eye on this, and I have to make a decision here. Okay, you guys